Live.
That is security taking it. He was all over the case Friday night, too.
Oh, he was on something.
Always has been.
Howdy everybody, it is Dalton with Grinding Gears here. We're doing the pit walk for the Rusk County Fair in Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Classes today, we have mid-size chain, mid-size youth, mid-size weld, MWFA, and vans. Make sure to throw in the comments, and we will see if we can get one or two of these heats live to you. Otherwise, you guys will be able to find all the Derby action on Grinding Gears TV, YouTube, and Facebook. And you should check out the TikTok.
Talking on my ass again. I don't know what to do about it. It was so funny. Imagine he gets back up in the tent. What the fuck is that smell?
Some tough looking cars. Now that everybody's tuned in, we're almost done with the pit walk. I'll kind of turn around a little bit. But we are at the Rusk County Fair in Ladysmith, Wisconsin at the Derby put on by 715 Motorsports and Promotions. Classes for today are mid-size chain, mid-size youth, weld mid-size, vans, and MWFA. Make sure to comment what you want to see, and we might be able to stream one or two of those. Otherwise, you can catch the rest of the action on Grinding Gears TV, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. But make sure to stay tuned to the Facebook page today. We'll get some comments, pictures, and videos and stuff, and we'll get some interviews up next.